Whenever we talk about AI in the workplace, it's almost always about the technology itself, right? The algorithms, the platforms. But what if the real story, the bigger story, is actually about people? It turns out there's a huge split in how companies are getting their teams ready for AI, and it all comes down to one single fundamental question about their mission.
So, just so you know, everything we're about to get into today comes from this fantastic deep dive research report by Virtualization Options LLC. This is just part one of a 15-part series, and we're kicking things off with their introduction. And trust me, it lays out a fascinating divide in the world of corporate AI strategy. Right out of the gate, the report hits us with this really powerful idea. You just can't have a universal template for AI training. It's not about finding some one-size-fits-all playbook. Why? Because the reason for the training, the fundamental why behind it, is completely different depending on what an organization truly cares about. And that idea? Well, it reveals this huge hidden divide. You see, underneath all the buzz and the hype about adopting AI, companies are making this critical strategic choice. And a lot of the time, they don't even realize they're doing it. This choice sends them down one of two very, very different paths for training their people. And it really all boils down to this. A company's core mission, its reason for existing, ends up dictating its entire approach to AI development for its employees. It shapes everything. I mean, from the courses they offer, to who even gets trained, to how they decide if the training was a success in the first place. So what are these two different paths? The report calls them two competing philosophies, and they are absolutely shaping the future of work as we know it. This slide just lays it out so perfectly. You've got one camp over here, the shareholder value focus. For them, AI is all about ROI, making things more efficient, and cutting costs to make the numbers look good. Then you have the other camp, the customer focus. Here, AI is a tool to build trust, to create better experiences, and to deepen relationships. It's a huge difference, right? One sees AI as a machine for profit. The other sees it as a bridge to people. Let's dig a little deeper into that shareholder value model. In these places, every single AI project has to answer one main question. How does this make us more money? The training is just laser focused on efficiency, on automation, and on creating a competitive edge that you can literally see on a spreadsheet. Okay, now let's flip that coin completely. In the customer-focused approach, AI is judged by a totally different standard. It's about how well it helps you understand your customers. Does it personalize things? Does it build loyalty and trust? The core belief here is that if you get that stuff right, the strong financial performance, well, that'll just be a natural outcome. But here's the thing. Choosing a path isn't just some academic debate. The report makes it crystal clear that if there's a mismatch between your company's real mission and its AI training strategy, the consequences can be severe. We're talking mission critical. I mean, really, what actually happens when a company gets this wrong? What is truly on the line here? Oh, the risks are just massive. You're looking at tons of wasted money and missed chances, sure, but it gets so much worse. A mismatched strategy can actively destroy the trust you have with your customers or even your investors. It can totally derail your long-term goals and put you at a huge disadvantage. And believe me, this is not just some theory. The pressure is on, and it is very, very real. The report points out that just between 2024 and 2025, there was a four-fold increase in AI-related shareholder proposals. Investors are watching this like hawks, and they are demanding companies get their AI act together. The heat is definitely on. Okay, so that sets the stage. Let's talk about where we're going from here. Think of this as a quick roadmap for our 15-part journey through this entire report's findings. What's great is that the report gives us a really solid framework to pick apart all of these differences, and that's exactly what we're going to do in these upcoming explainers. We're going to guide you through every single part of their analysis. So here's a little sneak peek of the journey ahead. After today, we're diving straight into strategy and governance. Then we'll get into the real nuts and bolts of what training content and skill development looks like in each camp. After that, we tackle the big one. What does all this mean for jobs and careers? And we'll wrap it all up with real-world case studies to see these philosophies in action. It is going to be a fascinating trip. So, I'll leave you with this one question to chew on until we meet again. Think about your own workplace, or maybe the companies you follow. Which of these two philosophies is really driving its AI future? The answer might tell you a lot more than you think. We'll see you next time.